HEB, and I don't like it. I'm so bored. Like, you have to go grocery and stuff. And so, look, there is my mom, my cousin Danny, and my mom. Sorry. And they I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Look at this! Look at this! It's this. Oh, I love fish sticks! Oh, Mama! Mama! They got fish sticks! I love fish sticks! Don't get caught by fish sticks! And I hate going to HEB. You know what? I'll teleport. You know what? Let's go with my mom and my cousin Donnie. You know what? You know what, guys? Hold on. Ready? Go away. Hold on, it didn't work. Hold on, ready? I'm back. Did you see that? I'm back. Teleport. So, I just teleport from all the way to over there. What you got now? Huh? And I just ready half and okay. I thought one car, white car, was no one in there. I was like, and then I just left my time. So I'm just gonna walk by my home now. So you go. That's not my mom. That's just my cousin. That's no one. That was my friend. Okay. Watch this. Oh god! Oh god! Okay. Oh god. That's scary. Okay. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! That's scary. Okay. Okay.
No le agarramos el ritmo todavía.
Pero ya se la vamos a agarrar más o menos.
Those are my friends.
Ya basta, la segunda vez no la agarramos y estamos bien pendejas.
No, si en la bicicleta ya nos agarramos más o menos.
Ya la agarramos nada más así. Ah, me gusta eso cuando
two
es
girlfriends.
que todo le bien hecho aquí.
Just kidding. They're my friends. They're boys. They're boys. They're boys. That's their boys and that's their boys. Oh, yeah, that's not my money. Yeah, and I'm gonna make another one. So.
Ya, y hicimos 1 hora en la comida.